Okay guys, to get started, we're gonna begin with the NYX eyeshadow base, and we're just gonna put that on our lid. Make sure you smear it out, whether you're using a brush or your hand, but always make sure your hands are clean so you won't be spreading bacteria. So let's get started. Today I'm using the Cover X setting powder, and this is the translucent powder. Again, we're gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill palette, and the first shade that we're gonna take is this one right here. The name of it is Jada. To apply the shade Jada, I'm gonna be using my Morphe M441 brush, and we're going to just apply that lightly. Make sure you don't get that much into our crease and blend it out above, and just do it in circle motions. You can get a small cut crease brush or anything that is very detailed. You're gonna go in with Jada. Using the smaller brush, you want to focus mostly inside of your crease, and then once you have it defined, you should blend up. This brush that I'm using is the Morphe M562. Okay, next we're gonna carve out our crease. You can either use your concealer, which you want to use a lighter concealer, or you can also use an eyeshadow base. And again, I'm using the NYX eyeshadow base. And I'm going to start mine right here. That way when I open my eyes, you can still see the cut crease. And it's better if you use the lightest concealer that you have. That way the colors pop out more. But again, you want to blend it out and then set it with your setting powder. Next, you want to apply this shade right here called Beam to your lid. I'm going to be using the Morphe M421 brush, and you're going to go in and pat, not swipe. And this brush is dry. Morphe is the way to go. Like I've just recently bought like 5 more brushes, and I need more, but they're really cheap. Like some of them are $5, $3, and they're good brushes. Like they last a long time. Be sure to apply the eyeshadow evenly and pat. That way you're getting most of the shadow on the lid. Okay, if you have another brush like the Morphe M421 brush, you can use that to apply the next shade, or you can just get another eyeshadow brush. We're gonna go in with this shade right here next to Jada, and this one is called Pool Party. Also, I'm patting this shade in. These eyeshadows are very pigmented. I'm glad I bought this palette. In this eyeshadow, we're not going to take all the way to the corner. We're going to leave a little space to put another shadow. With that first shade right here called Beam, I'm going to go back in and I'm going to blend that in with the blue. Just pat over that little section that the blue starts in. And you want to pat it in instead of swipe, because you'll be pulling the blue into the white, and you want to keep it, you want to keep the shades where they are, but you just want to make it blend together. All right, using whatever brush you use to apply the blue shade, I'm going to use the opposite side. We're going to go in with this shade right here called Twerk, and we're going to build that shade up on the corner, blending it in with the second shade. And the same thing I did to blend the cream shade with the blue, I'm gonna go in with the lighter blue, and I'm just gonna pat that over the line that Twerk begins. And I'm just patting. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M213 brush, and this is a smudge brush, and I'm just gonna tap a little bit into Twerk and a little bit into Jada, and I'm going to blend it out around the sides so I won't have such a harsh line. Alright, I'm going to line my top lid using the NYX matte liquid liner. Next, I'm going to apply my lashes from VLuxe Lashes. A trick to applying lashes, make sure you're always looking down at the mirror to place them on, and start in the middle and then put on your end and then the inner eye. Before I finish my under eye, I'm going to finish my entire face. That way it's easier for me to apply the under eye makeup. Alright, my face is done. Now I'm going to go back in to do my under eye. We're going to go in with Twerk. And I'm going to be using my Morphe M432 brush. And I'm just going to go under my bottom lash line. Then I'm going to grab my Morphe M213 brush, which is the smudge brush, and gonna use Jada just a little bit, and I'm going to go under Twerk with that, blending it in as I go. Okay. And then I'm gonna use my flat brush Morphe M432 again, and I'm going to use Jada. And I'm gonna go in my waterline. Right guys, that's the end of this video. If you like videos like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. And by the way, if you're looking for a bold look like this, check out my latest video using this palette, Jaclyn Hill Vault palette. And I made this pretty green, army green color, so please click that link, the link right here, if you would like to see that video, and I'll see you in my next. Peace.